Today in this video I will tell you how you can get Microsoft Office 365 for free. Yes, you heard it right. You can get the latest version of Microsoft Office completely free without paying a single penny. The method I am going to show you is completely legal and Microsoft offers this officially. In case you are looking here for some hack or crack, then unfortunately this video isn't for you and you need to go somewhere else, and others stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. First, we'll open our browser. I will open Chrome here. You can choose any browser of your choice. Now we'll go to website www.office.com. We can see that we have two options here, Sign in and Get Office. The Get Office option is for buying. We need to click on Sign in option. This will lead us to the login page where we need to log in. In case if you are not registered, you can get yourself registered with this Create One link, and this is totally free. Once we are registered, we need to log in. Now this is asking, do I want to stay signed in? We'll just click no here and proceed further. Now you can see we are on the Microsoft Office dashboard. On the left hand side, we can see the icons of all the applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, which comes as package under Office. We'll click on Excel. This now gives us list of templates to select from. We even have more templates here. Even explore all. But for our demonstration purpose, we'll just use blank one. We need to verify ourselves by entering login password again. This will take couple of seconds to load. And now we can see our Excel 365 is loaded. Exactly the same look and feel as we get in the offline version. And that too completely free. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for this kind of more informative videos. Now let us enhance our experience more by going in full screen. We'll just click F11. And now no one can even guess that we are working on an online version. Let us work for some time in this worksheet to check if there is any latency in working. The experience is pretty much as if we are working in offline Excel. And we can see here there is no latency or delay in the result or processing. Now when we go to File menu, we can see there is no option of save here. This is because our file gets auto-saved in OneDrive. If we want to send this file to our colleague or friend, we need to go to Save As, where we have an option of download a copy. We can just download and share it with anyone. Now let us go to the dashboard. In case we receive a file from someone and we want to open it in this online version, we can use this link here which says upload and open, and the link does as it says. Now let us have a look at where our files are stored. We just need to go to this application which says OneDrive. And this is the place where all our files are stored. We have 5 GB free space here, which I suppose is more than enough if we are just using it to store our Word Excel files. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.